So Tech. Subscribe.
Hello and welcome. This is the SpeedLink AXON silent and antibacterial USB mouse. It is actually wired and it is big for my bigger hands. It comes with a USB mouse and a user guide. The surface kills up to 99% of bacteria within 24 hours. Silent main buttons, optimized ergonomic design and silky rubber coating. Wait a second, does that mean that the non-main buttons are not silent? We're gonna find out. We have a DPI-switch button and 2400 is the sensor resolution. Alright, let's get in there. Okay. Well, sure, why not? Let's get rid of that annoying reflective thing. And here we have the cable. Okay, that's a bit complicated. The cable goes through here and then through an even smaller hole. And there's a manual. Come on. Here we go. Here's a mouse, nice and big and nice and quiet. Let's take a quick look at the manual, so apparently known as diagram of a mouse. First things first, we're going to test it. So let me get that laptop. Alright, so all we want to test here right now is how fast does this get recognized. Let's plug it in. Oh, alright, there we go. That was quick. DPI switch, are you working? Short distance, long distance, longer distance, longest distance, short distance. I believe this one has 4 settings. I do not think the manual mentions anything about the DPI setting. So weird. Alright, enough of that. I have 4 other mice we're going to compare it with. Some super old wired mouse. Mouse MUAE90 is written down here. I believe Performance MX. And an M570. And a SpeedLink Calado silent and antibacterial mouse. So I gotta say, I really like the wheel. It's nice and soft. And it doesn't jiggle or anything. Just a tiny, tiny plasticky bit. But the press, the middlemost pressing, oh, that is evil. I mean, there's worse in other mice, but this is pretty loud. But you know, there's a trick for opening new tabs. You can right-click a link and then move down to the right a tiny bit, and then click the left mouse button and you will click the Open a New Tab link. So that's a workaround. Alright, so I've been using this mouse for a little bit longer. I edited this video with it, for example, and I want to let you know of my main complaint, which is the middle mouse button / the mouse wheel. When you click it with the middle finger, it's tedious. It just feels like stress. And using the mouse wheel with the middle finger, again, the same issue. Using the index finger, no problem for both pressing. Well, pressing is a bit too resistant still. Scrolling is no problem with the index finger, but for my middle finger, which I use for mouse wheel and middle mouse clicking on other mice, it just feels like too much resistance for both scrolling and pressing. Something I really didn't expect. But it feels nice and big, that's definitely important. Velvety feel, good big grip. That's it for the AXON unboxing and sound test. I hope this was useful. Let me know in the comments what kind of mouse you're using and what you're thinking of buying right now. Make sure to subscribe to support this channel, and I hope to see you next time. Until then, ciao!